Are you aware that by ignoring the process of ensuring your on-screen transcription of the subtitles and closed captions are accurate, you could be seriously damaging your video's chances of ranking on page 1 of YouTube and Google for its main keywords? In this video, we'll go through the steps of correcting the auto-suggestion errors, as well as explaining why undertaking this process will work to your advantage. So welcome to this video entitled, How to Make YouTube Video Subtitles Work to Your Advantage. In other words, the subtitles and closed captions play a pivotal role in the success or failure of your video. Before we carry on, be sure to watch the video to the very end, where you'll be able to download your free PDF copy entitled How to Make YouTube Video Titles Work to Your Advantage. Hi, my name's Jeff Laming for Video Cashflow, and in this video we'll also explain little known but powerful benefits that a well-transcribed video provides for you. I'm now going to hand you over to my colleague Harry, who will further explain and take you through the process.
Hello, my name's Harry, and if this is your first time watching a Video Cashflow video and you like what you see, hear and read, then please subscribe, and remember to click the bell icon to stop missing out on important updates. What now follows is the process of how to make the YouTube video subtitles work to your advantage. This is an area that is overlooked by many, and yet it is an essential element of being social and engaging. Taking the time to show a transcription is a big plus point, as the very nature of talking to your audience, and taking into account the needs of the deaf and hard of hearing, are deemed to be meeting the basic needs of YouTube's audience. Go to the profile or page icon in the top right, and click on Create a Studio, then Video Manager, and then Edit, which will be to the right of the video thumbnail image. We are now going to transcribe our video. However, YouTube offer a helping hand, as they have already transcribed the video for you. Well, sort of. Unfortunately, the transcription will likely be full of mistakes. Think of someone trying to type at the same time as listening to someone not talking clearly and with an accent they're not familiar with. So, to correct this is what you need to do. 1. Click on the Subtitles and CC tab. 2. Click on the title bar to the right of the video where it shows English Automatic. Note, it may take a couple of hours before the English Automatic title shows up. 3. To the left will show up the transcription by YouTube. 4. Click the blue edit button so the transcription on the left shows. 5. Start running through the video, making corrections to the transcription as you go along. Then, once you're happy with the revised transcription, click the blue Publish Edits button. Underneath the English Automatic title will be a new title called English. Now, we copy the transcription onto Notepad or onto a Word document, whatever you prefer, and then from there we highlight key points in the transcription. Now this is where the magic happens. Highlight the times when those key points are being spoken. You then show in the description box a summary of those key points and times. For example, 2309, this is where I explain how to. YouTube love this. Again, think in terms of being social and engaging. Throughout the transcription that you've copied into the description box, make sure the keyword phrase is spelt correctly and is exactly as it's written in the title. As soon as you're happy with everything, click the blue Publish button. What we've effectively achieved here is the following. 1. Created a legible, concise, informative transcription that helps the viewer to learn from and enjoy the viewing, and 2. Provided a summary of the key points and, just as importantly, the times those key points are mentioned in the video. So, what are those little-known benefits you can expect to obtain? 1. You will ensure that your main keywords are spelt correctly, thereby improving the video's ranking capability on YouTube and Google. 2. More videos are watched with the sound muted than with the sound on. It is reckoned that up to 80% of videos watched on Facebook have the sound turned off, hence, why watching videos with the correct subtitles is so important to getting your message across to the viewer clearly and concisely, so that they actually understand the message you want conveyed. 3. When your videos are watched in non-English speaking countries such as Scandinavia, Spain, Brazil and India, to name just a few, your transcription will be translated in a far more meaningful and understandable way for those foreign nationals, thereby massively opening up new markets with the scope and potential of obtaining more views, more subscribers and more business. 4. Your video transcription can be downloaded as a .srt file, and used for uploading into Facebook, for example, for the transcription of the native version of that video. 5. Your video transcription can be converted into an ebook or an article or a blog post. And, all for the benefit of you, YouTube, and more importantly, the viewer. Before we go, don't forget to download your free PDF copy of How to Make YouTube Video Subtitles Work to Your Advantage. You'll find the URL in the description box below this video. Finally, for more helpful video marketing and YouTube tips, please subscribe, and remember to click the bell icon to stop missing out on important updates. I hope all of what I said makes sense. I'll now pass you back to Jeff.
That's it. I hope you found the content of this video helpful and useful. Thanks for watching. Until next time, bye for now.